How to join or create a guild in Darkest Days. Build a community in the wasteland. This guide shows you how to join or create a guild in Darkest Days. Once you reach level 10, the guild icon will unlock. Tap on it to see a list of active guilds. You can filter them by casual or competitive to find a group that fits your playstyle. To join, simply hit apply. Some guilds are auto-join, meaning you get in instantly, while others require the leader's approval. Joining a guild unlocks exclusive shops and powerful passive buffs for your character. To start your own, tap Create Guild. You'll need a set amount of coins and a cool name. Once created, you can customize your emblem and invite other survivors to help build your guild's reputation. Lead your guild to glory. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days community tips.